Welcome to the McAfee Taft webinar series. The topic for this webinar, preparing for the next round of HIPAA audits. 4 years ago, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office for Civil Rights launched a HIPAA pilot audit program targeting covered entities nationwide. When the results of those audits showed that a majority of entities failed in their compliance efforts, they announced a second, more expansive round of audits for 2016, this time targeting both covered entities and business associates. In this webinar, our presenters will be highlighting the lessons learned from the initial round of audits, review the scope and timeline of the forthcoming 2016 audits, and provide practical advice for maintaining compliance and preparing for a possible audit. Our presenters today are McAfee Taft healthcare attorneys Patricia Rogers and Susan Walker. Patricia Rogers focuses her practice on healthcare administrative and regulatory compliance, transactions, and business consulting. She brings a wealth of hands-on practical experience to this role, having been a healthcare insider for many years while working in management positions with healthcare institutions and as the administrator for the Institutional Review Board at an academic medical center. Pat is the leader of McAfee Taft's dedicated HIPAA compliance and health privacy team. Her extensive work in this area includes assisting clients in assessing their vulnerabilities and risks, developing and implementing HIPAA compliance programs and guidelines, conducting internal investigations, and responding to consumer complaints and state and federal investigations regarding alleged breaches. She also provides training to covered entities and their business associates. Susan Walker's multifaceted business and litigation practice is focused primarily on issues affecting the healthcare industry, including regulatory compliance matters, day-to-day business operations, healthcare transactions, and related litigation. As a member of the firm's dedicated HIPAA compliance and health privacy team, she advises clients on developing programs and guidelines to comply with HIPAA requirements, assist organizations with internal investigations, and counsels clients on responding to federal and state-based breach complaints and investigations. So with those introductions, I now turn it over to you, Susan.
Welcome, everyone. We're here today to talk about the newly announced HIPAA audits that were announced in March. It's the 20th anniversary of HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, and we're still working out interpretation of all the rules and regulations. In order to get started, I'm going to talk about the nuts and bolts of the upcoming audit process, and then Pat Rogers is going to talk about what you can do right now to prepare for the audits.